Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my St. Patrick's Day nail art tutorial. I went a little crazy with the outfit today, but I wanted it to be fun, and here's my JoJo bow. I love wearing this. It's a headband with this giant bow on it. I love wearing this for St. Patrick's Day. It's super fun. I do these videos for every holiday pretty much to show you guys some ideas for nail art for the holidays. So this is going to be the St. Patrick's Day edition. And like always, I do different designs on both hands. I did a more difficult design on one hand and then the other hand is easier, and I tend to do the more difficult hand on my right hand, which is weird because I'm a righty, so you'd think I would do it on my left hand, so my right hand could be used to do it, but I don't. In this case, my right hand nails tend to be longer, so I like doing more nail art on that hand because I have more space to do it, so which is weird too since I'm a righty. I don't know why my right hand just breaks less, but it's always been the case. So my left hand, the simple hand, I did a little Irish gradient and then a rainbow on the thumb and then the clover on the ring finger. That's just a freehand one, so it's a little bit wonky. And then the right hand, I did a rainbow to the pot of gold, and then the thumb is like the leprechaun thumb, so it has the buckle. I love how this turned out. I just love the rainbow, and it took quite a while to do because I was using a thin brush and I was using my left hand, so I had to be really careful with applying, so it took quite a while to do, but I think these are really fun, and I love doing these videos because it's a great way to give you guys ideas for nail art. But let's get into the tutorial. If you are new here, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and let's get started. So that was the tutorial. I hope you guys got any ideas for nail art. Let me know if you guys use any of these designs in your nail art. I will be posting pictures on my Instagram, of course, which is @RainyRainy, so go check it out. I will be posting both of my hands on there so you can get a little bit of a close-up of the final looks. You get some sort of a picture in the video, but I like the pictures better. So I will be posting that, so make sure you go over there and follow me on Instagram as well. I hope you guys have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day if you are doing anything. Like I said in a previous video, I know St. Patrick's Day is a little bit weird this year again, and it is the 1-year anniversary of lockdown, which is crazy to me. March 16th was my first day home last year, so it has been exactly a year. That's nuts. So I know St. Patrick's Day is not really happening most places. I know normally down here there's a parade or St. Patrick's Day, some big event, but it's obviously not happening. So I did something small last weekend with some friends and we still were able to dress up and do something fun. So hope you guys do something fun to celebrate, drink some Irish beer or something, some Baileys, have some corned beef and cabbage. Whatever you like to do to celebrate, go do it, whether you are at home with family or by yourself or with some friends. Just do something to celebrate the holiday. Wear some green. I definitely will be. But that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.